Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hard candy lollipops using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Don't forget your favorite flavoring extract, about 1 teaspoon, and a few drops of food coloring for vibrant treats. Make sure you have lollipop sticks and a reliable candy thermometer on hand. Also, lightly grease your lollipop molds or a baking sheet to prevent sticking. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once it starts to boil, insert your candy thermometer and resist the urge to stir further. Continue to cook the syrup without stirring until it reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully remove it from the heat. This next step is quick, so be ready. Immediately stir in your 1 teaspoon of flavoring extract and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly but carefully, as the mixture is extremely hot. Pour the hot candy mixture into your lightly greased lollipop molds. As soon as you've poured, place a lollipop stick into each candy, twisting it slightly to ensure it's securely embedded. After pouring and inserting the sticks, it's time for the lollipops to cool down. Let them sit undisturbed at room temperature until they are completely firm and hard. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your environment. Once fully cooled, carefully pop them out of their molds. Your delicious homemade hard candy lollipops are now ready to enjoy. Store any extras in an airtight container to keep them fresh and prevent stickiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.